Hello everyone, welcome back in math class. Class 9th, chapter number 1st, number system. Today's topic is to locate root 3 on the number line. Previously we saw how to locate root 2 on the number line. Location of root 2 is very simple. All we know that. So what about root 3? I hope everyone understand how to locate root 2. Now to locate root 3 is quite similar with root 2. I will explain how. See carefully. First of all, to locate root 3, here I am going to write example. Locate root 3 on number line. Now to locate root 3, first of all draw a number line. Here I am going to draw a number line. This is my number line. You have to also mark here, so I just make an 1 centimeter distance mark here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 are sufficient, more than enough. This is our number line. So now make an numbers 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. This side -1 -2. Now step first. Draw number line. Draw a number line. Now step 2. Step 2 is that take point A on number first, that is OA equals to 1 centimeter. So take point A such that OA equals to 1 centimeter. See, this is 0 also, or we can say O also. Okay, so don't worry about this. Now this is your point A. This is of 1 centimeter. This is of 1 centimeter. After this, draw step 3. Draw BA such that BA equals to 1 centimeter and angle BAO equals to 90 degree. So you have to draw 1 centimeter. You can take it directly also. I am taking it directly. See, this is 1 centimeter BA. Okay, this is 1 centimeter. Here it is B. This is 1 centimeter. See, first of all, I am following all the steps how to locate root 2. Okay, so step 3, same used in location of root 2. Join OB. But we don't have to draw, we don't have to locate root 2, we have to locate root 3. So one more step here we have to do. Now again we have to just take BC. Step 4, draw BC such that BC equals to 1 centimeter and BC is perpendicular on OB. It is one more step you have to add to locate root 3. Okay, so you can directly draw the perpendicular, or if you want to use any construction method you can use also that. So here I am going to draw a direct perpendicular, or you can also use your protractor to take 90 degrees angle properly. Here I know where is the 90 degree angle, so I am just doing it directly, or you can also use protractor. Okay, so this is, I hope you can understand, this is a 90 degree angle. If you want to use protractor, then you can also use this. So here it is C, so BC is again 1 centimeter. C, sorry, it's more than 1, sorry for this, it's more than 1. Here we have to take BC as 1 centimeter. I take it more, so I just erase it. We have to take only 1 centimeter. So for 1 centimeter, see, only this much distance we require. Only this. Okay. So now this is C. Understood? So this is 1 centimeter. Now our next step is that step number 5. Join OC and draw an arc intersecting number line at point D, or you can use also P, but here I am going to use D. Now I just join OC and take a distance of OC in your compass. See here, take this distance OC and just make an arc which intersect this number line at point D. So this is your point D. This is your point D. And this distance is root 3, this distance OD. And finally, therefore, distance OD is equals to root 3 centimeter. Understood? But how it come root 3? Okay, the small explanation I am going to write here. Understand this explanation. See, all we know that this is our triangle. This is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. So this is root 2, because 1 square plus 1 square, 2 square, 2, and under root of 2, that is root 2. Now if I just draw a 1 centimeter again here, then just apply PGT on this triangle CBO. So CBO, look here, this triangle is look like this. This is root 2 and this is 1, and this is O, C and B. Therefore, when we apply PGT here in triangle CBO, angle CBO equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by PGT, OC square equals to CB square plus OB square. So OC square, OB square. OB square is root 2 square plus here CB. Sorry, here it requires, we required CB here. CB square. So CB means what? 1 square, 1 square. Okay. I am going to write this line again. OC square equals to CB square plus OB square. So CB square means 1 square plus OB square means root 2 square. So 1 square 1 plus root 2 square 2, which equals to 3. OC square is 3, therefore taking square root, OC equals to root 3. Understood how OC is root 3? I hope you understand. Okay, thank you very much.